first let's get the pattern that I'm gonna use. This one. Let's damp it. When it's loose, we're gonna get it with the stamper. I just use the stamp and take it off. I position in my nail. I choose the right size. Stamp it. In my nail. I rub it just to get really stuck on it. I just rub it. I find the accident of it, and this imperfection I just rub it a little more to get really smooth. And if you have something over the nail, just get over, you could just trim with this. And after, you just have to put your top coat and it's finished.